actually show them till today, though. It was killing me, you guys. I really wanted to share these. Oh my gosh. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much to Bath and Body Works for sending me some early Candle Day candles so I can start reviewing and sharing these for you. So last night, I got on late last night. It wasn't real late. It was late for me. I got some news though. So early access to the Candle Day event is for rewards members only. So make sure that you sign up as a rewards member like today. You want to do that now so there's no rush tomorrow. Then tomorrow, December 1st, from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, online only, we are going to get in to shop for Candle Day. Early access. I'm super excited about this. There's going to be a queue, which means that when you get to the Bath and Body Works site, I'm going to get on at like 7:30. I'm going to get on early. You're going to be put like in line and then you'll be able to shop. So hopefully everything moves smoothly. The queues usually tend to work well. I'm excited about that. And then also on social, Bath and Body Works, I believe they're doing it on Instagram. I'm not sure if they're doing it on Facebook, but they are going to be doing a live today. I'm just going to go on Instagram. They might be on TikTok too. At 3 p.m. They're going to be 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. They're going to talk a lot more about Candle Day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal 6 of the Candle Day candles now, and then I'm going to do the other 6 that they sent me after 3 p.m. so that I can have any more information that we get at 3 p.m. So a lot going on. And that's the funny thing with Candle Day. The game's always changing because there's always new news. So I try to stay up on everything so that I can get you all the latest news as it rolls in. We're also having a single wick sale today, $6.25. I'm like, I'm more excited about Candle Day. And then the Body Care's buy 3, get 3, which is always a decent deal. So first up, Peach Bellini. This is it's kind of like an astronomy starry packaging. Check out the lid. This one is succulent white peach, sparkling prosecco, and sweet orange. It's funny, I'm not even a peachy girl, and I'm like, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. I love Christmas. You know I love Christmas candles, but it is exciting when some of the spring scents roll in. This has got a really strong, kind of bubbly, peachy scent. I'm going to try and review some of these before Candle Day. Or obviously, Candle Day starts tomorrow, but today, tomorrow, all the way up until Saturday. Because the actual in-store Candle Day is going to be Friday and Saturday. So we got to talk about that too. Also, load your cart with any of the... I love this one so much. Any of the glass candles, the only 2 that are left are, I believe, Winter Candy Apple and the Cedar and Suede, because these are going to go fast. A lot of people are looking at those glass lid candles. Okay. Number 2, Unicorn Sprinkles. Oh my gosh. Remember this one? I call this a Dumbledore candle because it's like all lemony. This one was in like a test pattern. It just was like geometric. This one has grown on me, although it's not my favorite. It is Fluffy Cotton Candy, Rainbow Candy Drops, and Sugared Lemon. I actually think it smells a little bit more like lemon cotton candy this time. I swear, I gotta bring my old one up. I got it downstairs. The old one had almost like a perfumey note to me. I think they might have redone this one a little bit because I'm smelling like lemon cotton candy, which smells actually really good. So I don't know. I gotta get some more opinions on this one once everyone has it. What is it? Is it lemon cotton candy? I think it might be. Okay, next up we have Black Tie. This is in the same pattern that the Peach was in. What was this one? Peach Bellini. Peach Bellini always comes out for Candle Day. There's like classic Candle Day candles that are always around. Black Tie is another one. Super pretty, classy packaging. This one is green sage, sandalwood, and tonka bean. If you want a really strong candle, you're going to want to try this one. The green sage is really, really potent. This is going to clear a room, like if you have like kitchen scents or something. You know, like if you just made hamburgers. This one is a really powerful, like strong sage candle. So if you like that type of candle, black sage is the one you're going to want to get. Eucalyptus rain. Check this one out. This one is my mom's favorite. Aromatic eucalyptus spearmint leaves and fresh spring rain. So it's basically like eucalyptus spearmint, only they added like a rainy, dewy type of note, which it's doing outside, by the way. My mother loves this one. This is like her absolute favorite. It's super strong, and this is another one that's gonna like completely fill your house. We also have in that same pattern, we have mahogany coconut. Check that out in the pink. This one is creamy coconut, mahogany woods, and English lavender. This one is, I get the coconut, I get the lavender. It's not necessarily like a sleepy candle. It's more like a Zen candle. I mean, this is a candle you'd want to burn if you want a little bit of coconut, but you don't want to go like overboard on tropical. And then I'll have to say that the coconut tones the mahogany down because I don't always like mahogany scents a lot. And the coconut, I haven't had a mahogany coconut in years. I'm going to try this one out. But it does kind of tone down the mahogany, the coconut, and it gives it kind of like a Zen quality, which is kind of nice. I'm kind of liking that one. This is kind of fun because I have not bought like eucalyptus rain or mahogany coconut in a long time. Candied maple bacon is back for Candle Day. I love this one. Oh my gosh. It's funny because everyone was kind of like, bacon? I'm like, it smells amazing. So if you didn't get the bacon candle during the Thanksgiving, remember they were doing like limited edition each week? This one is crispy bacon, maple brown sugar, and smoked applewood. Oh, that smells so good. I love this one. I do. It smells so good burning. You get the bacon and the apple. I don't know. It does. It smells, it's kind of odd. But I burned mine a couple of times. And it smells good. And this is one of the jars where when you light it up, the label changes color. It's kind of neat. It's like a label changing heat paper. But I don't know. This isn't one that you're going to want to burn all the time. I don't know if I'd burn this like when guests come over. But maybe like, you know, if you want people to think you're making bacon. I don't know. I like the maple note. I think it's a nice one. Like I said, it kind of fills your house with like the bacony scent. If you're in the mood for breakfast, but you don't want to eat bacon, you might want to pull that one out. So those are the first 6. I have 6 more coming later that I'm going to show you, including some of the mashups. I'm so excited to show you. These mashups are so cool. Those are exciting. So I will be back on after 3 with more Candle Day news. I might do another video in between then on something else, but oh my goodness, Candle Day is officially here. It's here early, and it's time to get excited. So definitely start your wish list now, because the wish list is probably going to be growing. Work on your budget a little bit, and I always use, like I said, like the $10 price point all over the internet. There's, you know, people speculating that it's going to be $9.95, which it probably will be. But I'm thinking when Bath & Body Works comes on at 3, we might get the official price then. But I never want to say like set price until I see it for Bath & Body Works, because you just never know. You know, you just never know what's going to happen. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Bath & Body Works, for sending me a little preview of Candle Day. I'm excited. I'm genuinely excited. The rain can't even depress me today. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.